Icons, 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 yes, we the icons. Icons, 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 yes, we the icons.
Hello and welcome to the Icons of the UAE Season 2. In the bustling heart of the UAE, where ambition meets endless horizons of opportunity, there's one name that stands out among the waves. He who navigates through complex water in the shipping industry and has built an empire for himself in such a short period of time. How does that happen? With relentless drive and amazing passion. The name that I'm talking about, the icon that I'm talking about today, is the founder and chairman of ARC Ship, Mr. Ayush Nakra. Welcome, Mr. Nakra,
Yeah, hi,
to
Pavitra.
Icons of the UAE Season 2. What a pleasure to have you here.
Thanks for inviting me.
So I've read a lot about you, and among that, something that has struck me is that in such a short period of time, what you have built in the UAE, and that is 15 countries in 6 years. You've spread your wings of ARC Ship in such a short time. How did that happen?
It all happened. We just followed the path. We worked hard, and it was a journey. It was a journey.
He came to Dubai in 2014. He changed some companies, then wanted to start something of his own. That's how it started with ARC Ship. Slowly, with his hard work and all, it progressed, and then today we are here. His journey is incredible.
Ayush Nakra is a vision in himself. He is ambitious, he is aggressive.
If he has decided something in mind, he will do it for sure.
He's very gentleman, very honest, very straight, and that's what I like in him.
One thing he always says is, I want entrepreneurs. We hire people for their passion.
I wish we could have more such people, so this world would have been a very better place to live in.
You know, seldom do we find such immediate success stories. जैसे कि आपने कहा कि 6 साल में you have opened up at 15 countries, right? So what was it there? What really worked for you?
You have to understand, first of all, success is not the destination, it's the journey. You have to live through it. The COVID came. I should not be saying, but there are opportunities in adversities. You have to look for it. Shipping is a global business. If I say 90% of Earth is covered with water, and out of that, the biggest transportation is shipping. In COVID, when everything was closed, shipping was the only thing which was working. There are countries, there are places which require supplies to come in. Like in UAE, they do not grow anything. So they want everything to come from the other countries. If shipping will not work, it cannot go by air, it cannot go by land. It has to be through ship. When no one was working, we were there. And maybe that was the mantra that worked out for us.
You're trying to tell me that you never cut anybody's salaries during those times?
No. This
There
is
was
one
no
thing.
layoff.
No. This is one thing which I will never do. I follow that mantra. My father always taught me that the people who are working with you, they have to be paid on time.
You make sure that they get their money before you make your money?
Yes.
That's something that you followed for 6 years.
Yes.
You have worked in a shipping company, and there's a very interesting story about a huge challenge that you have faced in life.
There was few vessels in Malaysia which were out for sale,
Okay.
and we had tendered for them, and fortunately we won the tender.
Right.
And there were around 6 vessels which we have to bring from Malaysia. Those were dead vessels. Either we have to repair them and bring it over here, or we have to lift them on a semi-submersible and bring it over here. So I was the only one from the office who was involved in this project. It was a challenge. It's a different country. The language is a barrier. They speak Chinese or Malay. It was a very small place, Miri, where actually these vessels were. And everyone in that place came to know that we have come from Dubai to buy this vessel. And everyone was trying to take advantage of us, money-wise. But eventually, and apart from that, there was monsoon. And it was very difficult to put the vessels on the semi-submersible because it was river, and from river the vessel has to be brought to the seawater. There was change in draft, so it was a very risky operation. My boss was just relying on me, I could have said no. I could have said that I send someone else for help. And that was the moment when my father got his first attack of kidney. And I was in Malaysia. But if I would have left, then this project could have not been completed. So I took that chance. I told my brother, my younger brother, to take care of my father until I finish my project and go back to Dubai. So I finished it off. Somehow we managed it. The people over there, they saw my confidence, my team's confidence, and they joined with us. And we eventually managed to bring the vessels over here.
So when did this passion kind of bud into you? Like when did you know ki yaar, this is what I want to do? This is the path I want to take.
It was never shipping. I never knew about merchant navy at all. So it was in engineering. I was in mechanical engineering in Pune.
That must have been a fun life, no? Engineering in.
See, I tell you, आपने पूछा तो बताता हूँ.
हाँ.
I was good in studies.
Okay.
I never failed in any of my exams. जब इंजीनियरिंग में गए ना, तो फैमिली से दूर हो गए, तो बस खुल गए. दोस्त यार बस यही चलता था. फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर 33%, 34% में पास हो गए, बाकी सब फेल हो गए. सेकेंड ईयर से जब थर्ड ईयर जाना था ना, तो आई फेल्ड एंड दैट वाज अ सेटबैक. आई डिड नॉट न्यू what to do, how to tell my father, because I had never failed and it was a setback. But that changed my life. When I cleared the paper, when I went back to third year and final year, I was a topper. I was one of the topper. So that brought more sincerity into my life. That brought back the passion into my life. And when you talk about this marine, हमारे टाइम पे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर जब कॉलेज से निकलता था 5,000 रुपये मिलती थी उसको.
वही, या करेक्ट.
मरीन में मिलता था 80,000 रुपये. तो हमारे को तो पैसा ज़्यादा चाहिए था. तो मरीन वॉज समथिंग विच वॉज लुक्रेटिव. तो वी जॉइंड इट. एट दैट टाइम आई नेवर न्यू कि मरीन क्या होता है, शिपिंग क्या होता है, व्हाट इज मर्चेंट नेवी, हाउ हार्ड इट इज़. एंड व्हेन आई वेंट टू माई फर्स्ट शिप, नो, आई हर्ड ऑल द स्टोरीज कि क्या हार्डशिप्स होते हैं, हाउ हॉट इट इज़, इंजन की आवाज़ कितनी होती है, रफ सी रोलिंग एंड ऑल दिस थिंग. So when I went to my first ship, it was disaster. I was already a qualified mechanical engineer, but when I went to the ship, I was the junior most engineer. So it all...
So you had to start from the scratch again.
Yes. We used to work 16, 18 hours a day. And when I was finished with my day, we used to cry. I used to cry. I used to look myself in the mirror and I used to cry. And I was ready to quit. That is the time I told my younger brother, who is a doctor, I told him, भाई मेरे से तो नहीं होगा, I want to quit. He sent me a mail. उस वक्त तो WhatsApp नहीं था ना. Satellite था, satellite के mails आते थे उससे. He sent me a mail. He told me, भैया, you go to places which we have not even seen in map. तो आप quit करने के लिए क्यों सोचते हो? करो. तो फिर I continued.
So somewhere was it a family pressure था या अपने family को प्राउड कराने के लिए था या अपने आप के लिए था? ये क्या था?
देखो लड़कों में ऐसा रहता है. Always want to impress your father. And this is what we also wanted to do.
Responsibility जब आ जाती है, automatically इंसान उठ जाता है. You take that pressure on you. You will start working hard. You will not मुड़ के नहीं देखना उसके बाद.
See, what I say, every person has to find their why. Why you have to do it. Once you have found your why, so there won't be anything which will be stopping you.
I like that line. Once you found your why. Yeah.
Aim for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among stars. There is no charm in thinking small. बड़ा सोचो, do something for the society, not only for yourself, your family. Someone has to bring a change. अगर सब अपने comfort zone में बैठ जाएंगे, सब 9 to 5 जॉब करने लग जाएंगे, तो how the world will change? See, there cannot be employees without an employer, and there cannot be an employer without the employee. So it's a round cycle. So what is owner? What is founder? Owner is the cheapest employee of a company. जिसकी ना कोई छुट्टी होती है, ना सैलरी होती है, but he has a bigger responsibility to fulfill. Yeah. अगर वो challenge कोई लेगा ही नहीं, so how the world will change, how the world will become a better place. Right now, which is the biggest problem which the world is facing? Unemployment. That is what has to be targeted. We have beautiful minds, beautiful, talented people, but they do not have a right direction to go.
Why do you think that is happening?
Because no one wants to hire freshers. People come out of colleges, beautiful mind, but no one is there to hire. Everyone wants experienced people.
Right after college.
Yes. So what will happen about the freshers? See, I like personally to hire freshers.
There you go. You've got your
I like.
opportunity.
If you come to my company, you will see many youngsters, 25, 26, 28, 30 years old. These are kind of people who can do wonders. And you will come to know. See, whenever I hire someone, 6 महीना लगता है पहचानने में कि ये
सही है कि नहीं?
ऊँट किस करवट बैठेगा. तो एक बार वो समझ में आ जाता है ना. So you have to invest on them.
You must have had some struggle during your college days and to just kind of understand the world. ये दुनिया समझ में नहीं आ रही है मुझे. वैसी situations हुई हैं?
बहुत हुई है, क्यों नहीं हुई है?
एक situation बताइए जब हुआ था ये.
देखो, कॉलेज में हमने ऐसा नहीं है कि वी डिड नॉट एंजॉय आवर टाइम. वी हैड फ्रेंड सर्कल, वी हैव लिव्ड आवर लाइफ.
बाइक्स वाइक्स में घूमते थे आप?
बहुत मजे किए, बहुत मजे किए. तो अभी तो
कॉलेज बंक किया है आपने?
वो तो स्कूल बंक करना शुरू कर दिया था हमने. स्कूल से ही बंकिंग मारना शुरू कर दिया था. मुझे आज भी याद है 12th में वी बंक्ड एंड वी वेंट फॉर अ मूवी.
Which movie was it?
द ममी.
The Mummy.
द ममी. हाँ हाँ. तो उस वक्त वो रिलीज हुई थी और हमारे को पकड़ लिया. तो हमारी क्लास में वी वर 38 इन द क्लास एंड आउट ऑफ दैट 38 बॉयज 33 वर थे. तो 5 लड़के थे क्लास में. तो पकड़ लिया प्रिंसिपल ने. अगले दिन घर भेज दिया. फादर से तो फिर माई फादर हैज़ ऑलवेज बीन अ वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड मैन. आई हैव नेवर सीन a person like him. It's not that he was my father, that's what I am saying, but I was 33 when he passed away. I never saw that he took any day off. सुबह 4 बजे उठना, रात को 10 बजे सो जाना.
That was a part of their lifestyle only, no?
Discipline है ना. It's not that they were living a bad life or unsatisfied life. They were living a good life, no? And disciplined life. And that discipline was bringing happiness to others also who were associated with him.
So when you set up a business ना, आपको कहा जाता है risk takers. लेकिन risk लेने वाले सिर्फ आप ही नहीं होते. There might be someone with you who is also taking that risk along with you, who is probably your lifelong partner. Should I say it or should you be saying it? Who is that person?
Obviously, देखो, बिना रिस्क के तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. And yes, when a man takes a risk, his family is also along with him. If your wife, your daughter, your mother, the women in your life, they do not believe you, they do not trust you, it will not work out. Women power is most important for me. My wife has seen me from day one since we came to Dubai. उसने सपोर्ट किया तो मैं ये कर पाया. अगर वो मेरे को सपोर्ट नहीं करती, वो बोलती घर पे बैठे रहो, तो मैं कहाँ कर पाता कुछ. आई वॉज नेवर एट होम. शी मैनेज्ड इट. सब कुछ उसने मैनेज किया. तो यस, शी इज द बिगेस्ट इंस्पिरेशन दैट आई केम दैट फार.
Well, we're speaking of inspiration, the pillar of strength of Ayush Nakra in his life. We have to be calling that one person who supports him till the end of time. And that has to be his wife. Let's call upon Shivani Nakra. But in just a bit, we're going to be breaking into a really short break. And on the other side, we're going to have some interesting conversations. And definitely, she's going to be sharing some stories that he wouldn't tell us. A conversation that started off with Mr. Nakra. We've come back to both Mr. and Mrs. Nakra on the show right now. But चलो, बहुत हो गई है अभी business की बातें, तरक्की की बातें, success की बातें. Can I just rewind to your love story a little bit?
I mean, I know you guys had a arranged marriage. But you can sit a little closer to each other. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. You can just, think like this is your couch at home. But I want to ask you something. What is that one thing that he told you जब शादी करने वाले थे? चलो parents नहीं मिलवाया आप दोनों को. What is that one thing he told you?
One thing he said that,
That melted your heart. You're like, okay, I think I'm going to get married to this man.
yes, he just said, I will keep you happy and I will keep you happy and let's go for it. Like that. When,
That's enough for a woman?
I don't know. Because we have an arranged marriage, so I don't know whether you, in our times, I
Family
I
marriage
guess,
होते हैं, family marriage.
It's like that.
The family gets married.
We
हाँ,
didn't
हाँ.
got a chance to meet, you know.
लड़का लड़की शादी नहीं करते हैं ना,
Yeah.
पूरी फैमिली
Correct.
शादी
So
करते
like
हैं.
that.
तो जब फैमिली बन गई तो फिर क्या है?
हाँ, like that only. Yes.
तो ये आप मानते हो कि 50-50% should be the contribution from both husband and wife, or do you think there are situations where the wife contributes 70% sometimes and the husband goes 30%? And sometimes the husband contributes 70%, the wife can go 30%. What is your outlook on that?
I think it depends on their own choice if they want to do that. If husband wants to contribute 50%, wife wants to contribute 30%. So it depends upon them. So it would be better if it is 50-50. So it
आपकी मैरिज कैसे चलती है? क्या फंडा है?
हमारी मैरिज का फंडा तो बिल्कुल सिंपल है कि we like I don't interfere much in his business and when he comes home he's like a family man. Most of the time ये business trips पे रहते हैं but जो घर आते हैं तो he's very chilled out person. तो हमारे लिए no matter how much busy he is, he takes out time for us to, you know, हम yacht पे भी जाते हैं तो we just have मतलब enjoyment किसी ना किसी तरह हम निकाल ही लेते हैं वो टाइम कि हम लोग enjoy कर लेते हैं.
Correct. And usually सब billionaires का होता ही है ना, you have to have a family holiday with the entire family. वैसे कहाँ गए हो? Where all have you traveled with him?
To many places like to Singapore, to Malaysia, to Georgia. काफी जगह पे गए हैं.
Does he switch off his phone then, or there also he's on the phone?
His phone is always on.
काम नहीं करेंगे तो हॉलीडे में कैसे जाएंगे?
लेकिन वही तो switch off करना है
तो
सर.
हम तो वही स्विच ऑफ कर दिया तो फिर बाकी काम कैसे चलेगा?
ये मैं बताती हूँ. I'm pretty sure इनकी सबसे बड़ी शिकायत आपसे यही होगी.
नहीं हो सकती ना मैडम, आप समझो ना, प्रायोरिटी समझनी पड़ेगी ना. मैंने आपको क्या बोला, प्रायोरिटी समझनी पड़ेगी. मैं अपना मोबाइल बंद करके चला जाऊँ तो यहाँ पर जो मेरे 700 बच्चे हैं उनका क्या होगा?
ओह,
उनका क्या होगा?
सही तीर मारा है आपने.
फिर
All right, some interesting things brewing up on the show today at the Icons of the UAE Season 2. On that note, we're going to be meeting someone else who's a part of Mr. Nakra's life, and we're going to be meeting them and talking to them much more. Thank you so much, Mrs. Nakra, for joining us.
My pleasure.
और बातें होंगी, stay tuned. Welcome back to Icons of the UAE Season 2. My name is Pavitra and in conversation with Mr. Nakra, and not just him right now. Remember, we told you there'll be a special person joining us on the couch today with me, and that is the Senior Business Development Manager, and she is Jaya Aarti. Thank you for joining us on the show today, and we hear a lot of good things about you. But you tell me, I'll make it an easy one for the first time. What was the best decision you took in life?
You know, he wants me to say joining Akship, and
But what would you say?
I would say the same because I think it has been incredible. Like since the moment I landed in UAE, the first job I took up in UAE is Akship, and I think it's one thing that I believe I want to grow this business with sir and with the team I have because I feel loved, a family-like atmosphere, and abundant opportunities.
He's not that person who will just be like a boss and order people to do things. He will do a job of an employee. Can you name some of the things that he does?
One thing I'll tell you is in Akship, we are not running business, okay? So we are running, we are running projects. We're running projects. So when you receive a call from him in the morning, like, Jay, get your pen and paper, you know there's something cooking. So
Is that bad news?
it is a good news for the company because he always comes up with a plan, but the deadlines are very short. He's like, okay, 10 projects, 10 months, 10 countries, and I want it.
Wow.
And that's how we launched our project, Akship 10, and we are doing incredible.
This is how we did 15 countries in so many years. That explains it. So is it like a fast-paced working that you don't have time to think?
It is because he himself is a very quick decision maker. He'll be like, no, I want it. I'm not asking. I'm telling you guys that you do it. And he knows that his team is going to get it done.
Yeah.
That's why we are getting along, no? That's why the people who can work with me have to be hardworking, have to be attentive. Otherwise, how we will gel up?
Correct. It was wonderful chatting with you, and there's so much to learn from someone who has actually been a backbone to the company for many, many years. Thank you so much, Jay Aarti, and I wish to see you again.
Same here. Thank you so much for
Thank you
having
so
us.
much. And now, after all those interesting questions, we have something very challenging. And honestly, Mr. Nakra says that I am accepting any challenge that you throw at me because he's seen enough in life. Mr. Nakra, welcome back.
Thank you.
This is basically called the rapid fire round. Okay, मैं जल्दी से आपसे questions पूछूंगी.
बहुत जल्दी पूछो.
जल्दी, अच्छा मैं पूछूं.
बहुत जल्दी पूछो.
He's throwing the challenge at me. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. What is your biggest fear?
Regret.
What is your favorite book?
The Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
If you could have dinner with anybody who's dead or alive, who would that be?
My father.
What is your biggest regret in life?
My biggest regret in life was that I could have done more when my father was passing away. But
What is your proudest moment?
proudest moment, setting up this company.
What is your biggest pet peeve?
I told you, no, lie,
What is your favorite hobby? Things that you do out of Akship.
work.
Come on, now,
वही है।
no, you can't say that. You
वही
can't,
है
no,
और
that is out of,
झूठ-
out of
झूठ बोलूं?
options. Out of options.
झूठ बोलूं?
नहीं नहीं
तो फिर?
आक्षिप के अलावा आप क्या कर
आक्षेप मैंने यहाँ पे भी लिखा हुआ है, आपको पता है?
दिखाइए मुझे. ओ इतना डेडिकेशन.
तो यही एक चीज थी जो समझ में आई लिखवाना, और क्या लिख
तो
पाता.
आक्षिप इज लाइक योर वाइफ.
कैसे?
So who's your first wife? Shivani or Akship?
Shivani came before.
So she.
Yeah.
Okay, what is your biggest strength?
My biggest strength is my team.
What is your biggest weakness?
I'm very open.
What is your-
I tell the truth.
You tell the truth. What is your biggest or favorite quote?
There are a lot many.
One quote that you live by. Like you said, there's a mantra.
You take care of your team and team will take care of the business.
Wonderful. Chalo, ho gaya aapka rapid fire round. You did really well. And honestly, I thought when I met you first, you might be like a very stiff person who might not answer a lot of my questions. But you did. And very nice. ऐसा लग रहा था मेरे घर के एक सदस्य मुझसे बात कर रहे हैं.
मुझे भी ऐसी नहीं.
Are you sure? ये कैमरा में देख के बताओ आप.
100%.
100%.
100%.
All right. तो चलो, thank you so much. बहुत मजा
Comfort
आया
आना चाहिए
मुझे.
ना.
Well, that of course comes to our conclusion for the episode of Icons of the UAE Season 2 with Mr. Nakra. Thank you so much for joining us here. With that, my name is Pavitra. Here's Winding Off.
Congratulations. We iconic, so iconic. We the legends, we the leaders and guides, yes. Pushing progress till end of time, cause we so iconic, yes, we so iconic. We iconic, so iconic. We the legends, we the leaders and guides, yes. Pushing progress till end of time, cause we so iconic, yes, we so iconic, yes. We iconic, so iconic.
ये रील देखकर मैं एक ही बात समझ पाई हूँ कि एक बार जो मैं कमिटमेंट कर देता हूँ तो फिर मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता. सच है.
पैशन चाहिए. पैशन, हार्ड वर्क पेज ऑफ. दैट इज वेरी ट्रू. तो ड्रीम्स देखो एंड ड्रीम्स डू कम ट्रू. मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी और सही डायरेक्शन में चलो. सही रास्ते से सब कुछ मिलता है. गलत रास्ते में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो दिस इज ऑल व्हाट वी हैव फॉलोड. दैट्स इट.
We iconic, so iconic.